Welcome back to AI Hunter, where we dive into the latest breakthroughs and discoveries in the world of tech and beyond. Today, we're going on a cosmic journey to explore one of the most awe-inspiring processes in the universe, star formation. So, you might be wondering what's so fascinating about stars forming? Well, let me tell you, it's not just a matter of gas and dust coalescing into a shiny ball. No. The process is far more complex and beautiful than that. To understand why, let's take a step back and talk about the Orion molecular clouds. This massive region is home to countless stars in various stages of development. Imagine a giant nebula, with gas and dust swirling together like a cosmic dance. The image we're looking at today was captured by NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, released just last month. It shows only a small portion of the Orion molecular clouds, but what an incredible sight. We're seeing young stellar embryos, the raw materials that will eventually become stars, nestled among the densest regions of gas and dust. So, let's break down this process into its different stages. First, we have the collapse of a giant molecular cloud. As gravity takes hold, the cloud starts to shrink, causing its core to heat up. This is where things get really interesting. The increased temperatures trigger nuclear reactions that create heavier elements, marking the birth of a new star. Next, we see the formation of a protostar, essentially, a giant ball of hot gas and dust. As it continues to collapse, the protostar begins to spin faster and faster, creating powerful winds that sculpt its surroundings. But wait, there's more. After millions of years, the protostar has cooled enough for nuclear fusion to begin in earnest. This is when we start to see the formation of a stable star, what we call a main sequence star. However, this isn't the end of our journey. As stars age, they undergo significant changes. They can become red giants, shedding their outer layers and fusing helium into heavier elements. Some even explode as supernovae, scattering these heavy elements across space, ready to seed new life. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about all this? Well, star formation is the key to understanding our own cosmic origins. The materials forged in stars are essential for life on Earth, from carbon and oxygen to heavier elements like iron. Without them, we wouldn't be here today. But there's another reason why I find star formation truly fascinating: its sheer scale. When you think about the number of stars in our galaxy alone, let alone across the entire universe, it puts things into perspective. We're just a tiny part of an endless, unfolding tapestry. So, what do you think? How does this journey through the stages of star formation change your understanding of the universe? Do you find yourself awestruck by the sheer complexity and beauty of this cosmic dance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's one thing that you learned from this video?